Hey guys, welcome back to another Crest Magic video. Today we're doing a deck review on the Rise playing cards by Grant and Chandler Henry. I'm so excited for these playing cards, and honestly, I don't want to wait any longer. Let's just open them up and check out the deck case. This beautiful. So I'll do a little roll right now on the tuck case. The Rise playing cards tuck case is a beautiful design with many intricate details that I can't go over. But the main thing is the arrow, which is their main logo, and the stamp, which is also their arrow going up, showing Rise. They're the first edition Rise playing cards. The back design is of the sun and moon, showing that even though you fall, you can rise again, which is on the ad cards as well, with this intricate design that is also the back of every playing card in it. This card. And let's just open it. Maybe. Yeah. Alright. Let's get into the cards and how they look. These so soft. These. Let's go over the back design right now. The back design of the Rise playing cards are the same as the back of the tuck case, with the sun and moon and this compass looking design on the back. And on the edges, on the top and bottom, it looks this beautiful, intricate design. The back design is just so cool, and I think these cards will be great for cardistry. Stay tuned to the end for a special tutorial. There's a lot in here that they're in here. Wow, it's so good. I kind of did it. So let's just go over the first card here. This is their logo. I don't know what to say, but this is kind of the simplistic design that they almost did but didn't. And this is the back that you got, which I went over the back design. Really cool stuff. Super cool. First card like this. Then you have a double backer, which I might teach a few tricks that you can do with a double backer, because they are very cool what you can do. And then we have these two ad cards on the bottom. If you see, it says, "For though I fall, I will rise again." Super cool message with the kind of night being the fall and then the day being the rise again in the little diamond form, which is really cool to would be cool for a portal trick. Yeah, these feel great. They're printed by US PCC, which I think I mentioned already. It's kind of dented on the side. Yeah, the Ace of Spades. Look at this. Yeah, we'll definitely make you focus, buddy. Yeah, look at that. That is just so intricate detail right there. So cool. All the little things, the arrow in the middle, the rise. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get these cards, and I'll leave a link to Rise Magic's channel, because they just have such good tutorials and everything else. So good. If we look, it's mostly, they're very different. They're mostly standard, but let's take a look at one card. The 4 of diamonds. So if you see, we have this like almost standard, but then this one pip that is like very intricate, but yeah, super cool. And all the cards are like that. So every card has that super cool pip. It's very distinguishable. And yeah, I really love this deck just for that quality of that. So without further ado, I'm just gonna do some things with these cards, and we're gonna get on with the loud music and cool card stuff. Thank you for watching to the end, to the deck review. As promised, I'm going to teach you a little something. That something is going to be the paintbrush color change, which I did in this little video. Basically, you take about, well, you take about one card, right? This card, for example, and you instantly change it, just like that. It looks better from an overhead view or when you're not at a table. But I'll show you how to do it right now. It's super easy. Basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get two cards, and they should be different colors, suits, like that. And you're gonna get a pinky break at the back right here. I'm gonna hold it like this, and you're gonna do a double lift. You're gonna pull it, make it look like it's one card. Then you're gonna grab it like this, secure it, and put it right here. And then you're gonna make this paintbrush motion type thing, right? And I'm gonna do an overhead view because I see that's probably a better view. And then in slow motion, you're just letting go of that card as you're brushing past. And at full speed, it looks like you're really just taking a card and changing it. That's kind of bad. Now for the overhead view. So this overhead view, basically, you're gonna get a pinky break under two cards, just like this. And then you're gonna flip over a card, when really this is two cards. That's gonna be a bad change. I don't wanna do that. And get that one, show this 4, and then you're gonna put it right right here with these fingers right there. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna brush past, and then you're gonna let go of that card and brush like that. And I'll show you an actual slow motion view. Okay. I think it's a lot better when you don't go so close. If you can get it so that it falls down before you don't want. What you don't want is this, right? You want it to look like you just took this card, brushed it a little bit, and it changed. See if I can do it like that, kind of. I'm not the best at it. I would say Alex Pandrea is one of the main people who has done the most work on the paintbrush change. And that's just a little tutorial for staying till the end. Thank you guys, and have a good day. Peace out.